Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon.
Fast and accurate fingerprint recognition. Remote access with temporary or schedule codes. Smart home integration. Okay Google, open the door. Real-time monitoring. Quick and easy installation.
It was successfully processed.
The smarter way to get in. Samsung Smart Lock A30.
Hey Google, unlock the front door. Unlocking the door.
Homes are getting a whole lot smarter, and smart home security is an important way to protect your family, business and rental properties. Smart home security begins at your front door. But live video from some of today's popular video doorbells are often slow to connect, and depending on their camera angle, you often can't see clearly who's there. Smart locks are great for securing your home, but they don't show or record who or when someone is at your door. Introducing Lockly Vision, an all-in-one smart lock with an integrated HD video doorbell. Lockly Vision combines the best features of today's video doorbells with the award-winning features and security that has become synonymous with Lockly's smart locks. See, hear and speak to visitors from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Lockly Vision's live view allows you to see who is directly in front of your door with a single click. No side views or partial views, you know exactly who's there. The built-in Lockly Vision doorbell button alerts you that someone is at your door and immediately initiates quick two-way communication via your smartphone from anywhere. Perfect for providing visitor instructions or welcoming a guest. Quickly access HD video history of your door's activity easily and safely with built-in SD memory card storage. Lockly Vision includes all of the award-winning features that set Lockly apart from ordinary locks, including 5 ways to enter. Enter by using your finger with the biometric 3D fingerprint reader. Enter your access code by using the patented peek-proof Pin Genie digital touchscreen. Unlock, lock or check door status through Lockly's smartphone app or by simply using your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. And for peace of mind, you can still access with the use of a physical key. Plus, only Lockly features permanent and temporary offline access codes that work without a Wi-Fi connection. Lockly has created a beautifully designed, easy-to-install plug-and-play smart lock that's perfect for securing homes, offices and rental properties. Lockly Vision is the all-in-one solution for securing your door and granting access to your trusted circle of family, friends and service providers. Lockly Vision also includes the innovative Lockly Access Portal, so property managers can quickly set up multiple Lockly smart locks across a range of doors. Stay safe and secure while knowing who is at your front door. Lockly, the world's most advanced and secure smart lock.